Signs. 36. Worksite signing must be placed in accordance with the traffic management plan, which should comply with the Victorian Worksite Safety, Traffic Management Code of Practice, and Australian Standard 1742.3. 2009. Traffic control devices for works on roads. 37. The traffic controller symbolic, T134, sign, and the prepare to stop, T118. Sign must be in place facing approaching traffic while traffic control is underway. Figure 4 on page 16 shows a format for typical advance signing for a traffic controller. 38. It is the responsibility of the traffic controller to ensure these signs are in place while controlling traffic and are removed immediately after traffic control has finished. 39. The positioning of the signs will vary depending on the traffic approach speed and must comply with the Traffic Management Plan, TMP. 40. For heavily trafficked or multi-lane roads, signs must be placed on both sides of the carriageway. 41. The symbolic traffic controller sign must be a black symbol on a fluorescent orange background. The prepare to stop sign must be a white legend on a red background. All signs must be Class 1 retroreflective. Figure 4. Advanced signing for traffic controller. This diagram shows the layout of advanced signing when a traffic controller is in place. The traffic controller is positioned with a minimum of 30 meters separation from the work area. Further back, as per the traffic management plan, the prepare to stop sign and roadwork sign are displayed. Note, the traffic management plan, TMP, may require additional signs. Locating the traffic controller. 42. The traffic controller should be positioned approximately 30 meters in advance of the work area. The distance should be sufficient to separate the controller from the works, but also allow the controller to converse with the workers regarding traffic flow requirements. If a vehicle proceeds beyond the stop sign, there should be some additional space for it to stop before the work area. 43. The traffic controller should stand facing the traffic from a position outside the travel path, so that approaching traffic can see the controller from at least 1.5 times the approach speed of the traffic. 44. Where sight distance is limited and or traffic volumes are high, it may be necessary to use a second controller in advance of the traffic control position to slow down or stop traffic approaching the end of the queue. 45. Where multiple traffic controllers are employed and they do not have line of sight to each other, radio contact or an intermediate communicator must be used. 46. Traffic controllers must always stand in a position so that a clear escape path is available. Traffic controllers should never turn their backs to traffic. 47. When traffic